Hello, my name is Edna Hernandez, and I'm going to walk you through a quick tutorial on how to register, sign in, search, and save rental properties. Once you go to the home page for Hurricane Homes, you will notice on the top right-hand corner an option to sign in or register. Once you click in here, the top part is for when you've already registered to sign back in. But if this is the first time you are using this website, you will need to pick a username and fill in your information. I will do a simple one, first and last name, and type in my email address. Once you do this, you click on register, and you are going to receive an email to confirm your email address. So you will need to go to your email, sign in as you usually do. You'll notice here, this email comes up. Welcome to Hurricane Homes. Click here and look for the link that says confirm my email address. You need to click on this link so that you can finish registering by choosing a password. Please remember your password because there isn't a way to reset your password should you forget it. So let's do a simple one right here. Complete registration. Now you are then able to search for properties. You can type in street, city, state, etc. You can do an advanced search as well. Let's say you have a minimum here, a maximum, let's say 1500. You have a preference for how many bedrooms, let's say 2. And then you want to choose a county. Let's do Lee County, for example. Lee. Once you do this, you do update search, and you'll be able to load the available properties. One thing to note that you can do here that will make it easier for you to search. Let's say you like this page. You are seeing properties here that you want to save. You have two options. One is to save the search. You click on the right-hand corner, look for Save Search. Let's say you want to name it 2 beds, Lee County. You can click on this check mark to subscribe to email updates, so anytime a new property is added, you will receive an email. So click Save. Now, if you want to go back to your saved searches, look for the top right-hand corner where your name will pop up. And the third one down is Save Searches. And this is how you can go back, click on this, and you will go back to that same search. You won't have to type it all over again. Once you do the search, this one catches your eye, you click on it, you can see the price, whether it's active, scroll down to see more information, a quick description, property details, and any other information that you need. Let's say this property is unfurnished. So you can either call straight from here, you have the contact information, or you can send them an email. Let's say you want more information or you'd like to go ahead and rent this. And you can send this email straight from this website. Let's say you're still looking for properties and you want to save this property. You can do this. Underneath the pictures, you can do Save to Collection. Now, this is where you create a new collection. And let's say you like this one, 2 beds, option 1. Create. Now you're going to be able to save your searches. So if you'd like to go back and see everything you have saved, simply click under your name and the second option, named collections. This is where you will be able to find your individual properties that you have saved. As you can see right here, you have the 2 beds, option 1, that you have just saved. If it helps to know the difference between the saved search and the collections, the saved search will save you some time in not having to type in the minimum, maximum, the rent, how many bedrooms, etc. The saved collection, that is a specific property that you are looking for. So as you can see, this is a specific property. Right here is the search. So if you click on the search, it'll take me back to that page where I can see all of the listings. Thank you. I hope this tutorial helps.